Form to Calendar Event plus Add-on. For Google Forms, lets you to take your Google Form submissions. To create a new event in your Google Calendar, go to Add-ons, Form to Calendar Events Plus. Click on Configure and map your views. I have a form which asks for event title, event description, start date, start time, end date, location, and view of the attendees. Back to the mapping form. First, choose your calendar ID, and you could skip some of the fields that are not mandatory. Even title can be selected from the form questions, like the form title. Even description, the agenda and location, which can be chosen by clicking onto the location, and these markers will be substituted with the real values. For the start time, map the question start date, start time, and the time zone. End time from the form question, end time. And end date and the time zone. And if your form is asking for the attendees, map the attendee questions. Attendee 1, 2, and 3. If you would like to add more attendees, click the plus icon and choose attendee 3. If you're not asking for any name, just leave it blank. And status needs. Action accepted and declined. You may leave it as you require and click Configure. Action create an event. You can have a logical condition only if the event title is not empty. Review. You can create a log file. This will create the entries of events for auditing. Choose the disclaimer and save your configuration. Now, publish the form, copy the responder link and open it. Supply the responses. I choose to fill attendee 1 and leave attendee 2 and 3 blank. I click Submit and an A. Few moments for this particular submission. You should be seeing an event created in your calendar. Product release with a guest waiting and a guest who has been invited to join the meeting with the location at theater. This is how a form can be utilized to create Google Calendar events. We hope the add-on is helpful. Thank you.